Hey guys, welcome back to UltimaBeauty. Today I'm going to do a quick little review for you of November's Ipsy Glam Bag. Here is the pretty bag that it came in. I love the patterns, very modern. So first up, I got this cute little eyeshadow duo from Complex Culture Beauty. It's really nice. It's got this nice matte sort of chestnut shade there. This really pretty shimmery shade. It's perfect. It gives you like a complete eye look. It's super long lasting, minimal to no fallout. I love it. Super pleased with this eyeshadow set. From EYEKO we have Rock Out and Lash Out mascara. I love how they come in these little tubes, so you can almost like you can get every last bit of mascara. This has an interesting little brush shape. It's kind of straight and then almost has like a rounded sort of ball edge. It's really nice. The only complaint I have is that you have to make sure to keep wiggling the mascara, which you should anyway. It's just that's how you coat your lashes better. But it can make them a little too stuck together. So I mean, if you're going for that look, that's great. But if not, they can sort of stick together because it's very liquidy. But you can work with it if you have a lash brush that works great, or just a bit more persistence. It's very nice. I do like it though. I would use it again. It lasts for a long time. It might be waterproof. I'll have to do a little more investigating on that, and then I'll put it in the vlog. It doesn't flake. It lasts for 12 plus hours. I really like it. Then we have Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This cute little sample bottle here. I've heard a lot about it, and I wanted to try it, but it was a little more expensive than I usually spend on concealer, and I said, well, if it's good, it's worth it. If it's not, I just, threw away a bit of money there. So I was thrilled that Ipsy gave me the option. It's what I chose for November because they give you a few things to choose from. So it's even in a shade that works for me, which is it never happens with samples because I'm so fair that they're always a little too yellow or just too dark in general. So I said, alright, I'm going to give it a try, and I'm going to be really hard on this concealer and see what it can do. It is amazing. Amazing. I love this little guy. I wanted to not like it because then I wouldn't consider spending a bit more on concealer than I usually do, but I can't dislike it. I love it. It lasts forever. It doesn't crease. It doesn't really sink into fine lines. A little bit fragranced, which was new to me because my concealers aren't perfumed. So I was a little worried about that, but it didn't irritate anything. I didn't break out. I've used it a few times now and nothing. I love it. It's amazing. I'm so happy that Ipsy gave me the option to try it. And yeah, I'm probably gonna buy a full-size one now. And this shade is 12N Fair Neutral. And it's perfect. It's not too light, it's not too dark, it's not too yellow. Shape Tape Concealer is fantastic. I really think you should check it out because I'm such a fan now. So then I got this perfume sample from JUSBOX. It's the scent Feather Supreme. And I was reading the little story about it in my little Ipsy pamphlet there. And it said it was inspired by the Queen of Soul, Aretha Franklin. It was amazing. And the scent is so interesting. It's not fruity, it's not floral, it's a little more earthy, I would say, with a hint of floral. It's not very floral. It's not flowery. And it's just a really unique scent. I mean, perfume is pretty subjective. What I like someone else might not like. But I think it's a fun scent, and I think it's unique, which is what I like most about it. Last and certainly not least is this brush from MOTD Cosmetics, Makeup of the Day Cosmetics. And it's huge. Look at that. What a nice brush. It's awesome for blush, for setting powders. If you're a fan of putting foundation on with a brush, I think this would work too. It's so full coverage. I like it for blush and powder. Really nice, soft bristles. Doesn't splay. And I know this is a weird thing to like, but I like that it came with this little netting here, because when you wash your makeup brushes and you dry them, some of them, not all of them, get a little bristle splay, And this, if you let it dry with this on it and you lay it down, keeps them nice. So I love the brush, and I also am just a fan of the packaging it came with. So thank you for watching my November Ipsy review. I was a big fan of all of the products this month. You can check out the last 2 months on the blog. I didn't get to make videos for them, but you can read about some of the fun products I got there and some of the ones I didn't like there. If you want to see this makeup look, it is from Too Faced Foxy Neutrals makeup set. Hopefully I have that video up soon, depending on how I edit things, but I will try to link to it in the end credits there. Thank you for watching, and check out the blog for swatches and more info. I will see you next time. Bye.